Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use EasyPark app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering how to exactly use the EasyPark app here. Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Play Store here and you want to go to search and just basically search for EasyPark. Now from here, you want to go ahead and install the app itself, but once you've installed that, you can go ahead and click on open. Now, what we need to do first is we want to go ahead and sign up, or basically just create our account. Now, creating an account is fairly easy. You just need to provide the following details. That includes your country code, the mobile number that you want to use, so go ahead and provide that. Now, you want to go ahead and select which country is your vehicle in. So, in this case, go ahead and specify it in here. Now, next is you want to read the terms and conditions. So go ahead and click on the appropriate links here. So if you want to view terms of conditions or privacy policy, go ahead and click on the appropriate one and view it. But once you've read that, go ahead and click on I agree. Now, from here, you need to enter a code that will be sent to your mobile number. So this might take a while, so go ahead and enter the 6-digit code that once it actually arrives on your mobile device. Now, next is you want to provide some details. So first is you want to enter the vehicle that you want to basically use for this account. So enter the vehicle registration number. Now, next is you want to enter the payment method here. So go ahead and provide the entire details like the card number, expiry date, and the CVC or CVV so that you can pay for your parking space just in case in advance. Now, you can also use PayPal here, Mobile Pay, and Apple Pay just in case if you want to. Now, once you've created your account, provide all the details. At the very bottom, you have the 5 options. You have home, activities, gifts, and agreements, and menu. So you want to go and choose agreements here, and you want to go and click on EasyPark AS. Now, it will show you your current location where you're currently parked, but you could go and click on search address at the very top here and search for the address that you maybe want to park later on. Now, once you've searched for the address that you want to park on, this is what you'll be seeing. So it will show you the time right now and also how the time that your parking is going to be valid. But if you haven't set anything here, you can go and just spin the dial that you see at the very bottom here. Maybe set this to 30 minutes or more, depending on what you need. Now also, it will show you the price here, what you need to pay. So once you set the time here, it will allow you the option to start paying for that or start reserving that specific space. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.